welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today it's time for Look Fantastic. Those of you that don't know, Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription beauty box. My mum got me this for my birthday last month. She bought me a 6-month subscription. If you do a 1-month rolling thing where you can cancel every month, it's £15. 3 months makes it £14.50 and 6 months makes it £13.75 a month. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, but let's just get in because I'm excited. It's a Christmas box. Oh, it's pretty. How pretty is that? Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Oh, it's all textured as well. I love it. I love a nice pretty box. Okay, you always get a little quote in here. It says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." Well, I do. You get this little thing which tells you all about what's inside the box, but I don't want to look at that yet. I've seen no spoilers for this. And then every month you get a copy of Elle magazine. This on its own is £4.40. So if you take that off the price of the box, it brings it down to the same price as generally like Glossy and Birchbox as well. Because I've got a 6-month subscription, taking this off makes this around about £8.90 or something, £9. So it's a really nice cheap box. And then you get a magazine to read as well, which is always nice. And this is the box. Let's just... Here we go. This is what we've got. Oh, something smells good. I don't know what it is, but something smells good. I'm getting this one first because it says poo. It doesn't, it says po, I think, like pomegranate or poo. This is Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. Ooh. Look Fantastic don't give you the prices in their little book thing that I've just lost. Where have I put that now? Oh, it's here. It's here. They don't ever give you the prices, which drives me insane. But I will put them on the screen for you guys to see. Let's have a look. So the this is infused with raspberry seed oil. This deeply nourishing eye serum will help to smooth and refine under eyes, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidant properties of the pomegranate extract brighten skin, leaving your under eyes bright and hydrated. Lightly tap onto the under eyes using your ring finger and leave it in this. Or if you leave it in the fridge, it will help reduce puffiness. Let's have a little look at this. Get out the box. Get out the box. Get out the box. Thank you. It doesn't smell of anything. That is like literally one drop and that's covered my entire hand. So go easy on this, otherwise you're gonna have like your entire face covered in eye serum. It feels quite oily. We'll see how it absorbs in, but it's really cute packaging, so I'm happy with that. What's next? What are you? This is Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. Is this the stuff? I am sure I had something like this. I think a detox one that had like little beads in it. I could not get them out of my hair. It was an absolute nightmare. And I'm sure that was an exfoliating pre-wash by this brand. And I absolutely hated it. I don't even know if it's... Did it go in my bad bin? I think it might be in my bad bin. Yeah, exact same one is in my bad bin down here. I've got in another box. I hated it. I will not be using this at all. I'm going to put it in my giveaway. If someone else might like it, it might just be me, but I absolutely hated it. It is in my bad bin because I'm putting one of my favourites and dislikes this month. And this for me, like you put it in, I can show you with my one actually. I can open it. I don't have to open that one. I'll show you. It looks like conditioner, but it's got like little grains in it, if you can see them. But they just would not Oh, it was an absolute nightmare. I must have been in the shower for 40 minutes trying to get it out of my hair. It was horrible. So that, no. That's just my personal preference. Someone else might love it. And I'm sure people must love it, otherwise they wouldn't make it. But for me, it was just horrid. So moving on, we've got This Works, and this is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Is this the one that smells like lavender? Chamomile, lavender and vetiver is a sleep solution you've been looking for, designed to initiate a deep sleep. You spray it on your pillow. Oh, I love stuff like this. I had a little one of these before. I've never had a big one. Oh, it smells so good. We'll definitely be using this. Absolutely love these. So yeah, that will 100% be going upstairs and being sprayed on my pillow. What's next? We've got Illamasqua. Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Ooh, Illamasqua's packaging is always like really fancy pants. Let's have a little look at this. It's a little pot. I feel like I've had this before as well. Let's have a look. It's like a jelly. It doesn't smell of anything. Oh, it's so cold. No, it doesn't smell of anything. It's absorbed really easy. I'll definitely give this a go. I like that kind of water gel. Oh, it says it's a base for long wear foundation, leaving your skin looking flawless. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Yeah. Okay, next up we've got a makeup sponge. What does it say about this? This is a Look Fantastic limited edition beauty sponge. Use this beauty sponge to apply a wide variety of makeup, from blending your foundation to setting your makeup with loose powder. Yeah, and just says apply powder and bounce along. So let's have a little, can I open this without ripping the box? Probably not. Oh, I did it. Go me. Let's see how soft it is. It is quite firm. This is going in a giveaway just because I don't use sponges, to be honest. I've got a beauty blender if I am going to wear foundation, but I just don't wear foundation enough anymore, so I don't want to waste that, because someone I'm sure will really like this. But I will definitely, that will be going in a giveaway as well. The giveaway I'm talking about will be linked up there. And then finally we've got a Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co brow crayon in medium dark. Ooh, I love one of my favourite eyeliners is the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co and the lip liner. They're like amazing, so I'm really, really excited to try this. Nearly knocked everything over then. And I need a new eyebrow thing at the minute. Tested one out the other day that I didn't like. Oh, I love the packaging. And it is just, yeah, it's just when you sharpen. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. Oh yeah, I might do that later on. I might just take off all my eyebrows and put them back on with this. So that was an okay box for me, just because I'm not going to use like a couple of bits. It wasn't the best one, but this is really cool. This is cool. It's a 4 out of 6. Really good. This I'm sure is a good product. I just don't use them, so I don't want to waste it. And this I hate. So, but I'm sure that is just me being fussy and not liking having, it's just like having grit in my scalp, and I just could not get it out. Like just constant rinsing and washing, it just wouldn't come out, and it was just horrid. But I'm sure someone will like it. So 4 out of 6. And I'm super excited to try these. The brow pencil especially. I cannot wait to use that, because I just love Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co stuff. Don't think I've had anything that I haven't liked. So yeah, that was Look Fantastic for December, the Christmas box. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.